Also breaking right now, we have word of a helicopter crash in Albemarle County. Our affiliate in Charlottesville reports the chopper went down in the woods near Old Farm Road. We have unconfirmed reports that this is a state police helicopter. So far, no word on any injuries, but we will of course update you the moment we learn anything new about that. And we are committed to bringing you all of the updates the moment they come in. As you saw, we have multiple crews in position in Charlottesville, and we promise to continue providing comprehensive on-air coverage as well as online and over on our free NBC 12 Breaking News app. And our coverage doesn't stop here. We're going to pause for just a moment. When we return, we'll have much more on those intense moments in Charlottesville. You're watching NBC 12 News at 6. We're back in just 3 minutes.
Can I have a little bit of warning?
Maybe somebody. No one's gonna fuck with me unless I go to jail, but that's fine. But at least I'm not gonna get shot and stabbed.
Can I walk up?
It's probably like 40 minutes.
What now?
Come on, man.
I feel like this guy's about to come on my back.
He looks
Like he might come
like
on my
you might not be able to handle his own load. I don't know.
He might
Alright, what
have.
song?
No, someone take this banjo from your home.
I forgot my kazoo. I'm sorry.
How about Rock Hermes play banjo?
Keep that as high as
I know you guys are hot. This sucks. These poor guys. Why are we allowed to do this? I don't know.
This is breaking news from NBC 12.
We're following breaking news out of Charlottesville. Here's a live look right now where violent clashes erupted earlier at a rally of white nationalists in Charlottesville. This is a look at downtown where we know at least one person was killed and 19 other people were hurt when a car plowed into a group of protesters there. This is a live look at police blocking off the street where all of that chaos happened. Chris Pallone has the latest for us right now.
Social media videos show the moment when a car plowed into a crowd of people on the streets of Charlottesville, Virginia. Witnesses say the victims were counter-protesters marching to oppose thousands of white nationalists who descended on the city for a second straight day.
I saw at least 2 people fly over the hood of his car and then he hit another car that was parked in front of him.
At least one person was killed, around 20 were injured in the crash. The crash followed a morning of violent battles between white nationalists and counter-protesters. Alt-right and white nationalist groups are in Charlottesville to protest the city's planned removal of its Robert E. Lee statue. Displaying Confederate and Nazi symbols, they taunted people who confronted their message of hate. President Donald Trump speaking at his New Jersey golf club.
We condemn in the strongest possible terms this egregious display of hatred, bigotry, and violence on many sides. On many sides. It's been going on for a long time in our country. Above all else, we must remember this truth. No matter our color, creed, religion, or political party, we are all Americans first.
Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe declared a state of emergency, giving the state more resources to try to keep the peace. Chris Pallone, NBC News.
And breaking news just in about that helicopter crash we just told you about in Charlottesville. Mark Davis is standing by in our First Alert Center with those details. Mark?
Well, Drew, we have breaking news just into our newsroom now. 2 people we have confirmed have died in that helicopter crash that was a state police helicopter. It was in a wooded area outside the near the Birdwood Golf Course in Albemarle County. Nobody on the ground was hurt. This all according to the Charlottesville Daily Progress. And again, we cannot confirm yet that either of those deceased are state troopers. We are working to find out more details. So one more time again, 2 people have died in a helicopter crash, a state trooper helicopter crash outside of Charlottesville in Albemarle County, a wooded area around the Birdwood Golf Course. We have not confirmed the deceased are troopers, but we are working to find out more. Nobody on the ground was hurt. We will continue to gather details and bring you those details when possible.